So today we're looking at a Smoothie bullet blender by KOIOS. It's 850 watts, comes with 11 pieces, it has a 6-leaf blade, and is going to work with wet blending or dry grinding. So you'll be able to use this for nuts, coffee beans, peppers, chili, or smoothies, milkshakes, baby food, and fruit juicers. Got a 304 stainless steel blade, plus you get a 2-year warranty. It also has pulse technology, a non-slip, silicone pad there on the bottom, and the cups and lids that come with this are dishwasher safe and fairly affordable compared to some of the others out there. So inside the box, you're going to get a user manual. You're going to get a shaker top with holes for seasoning, also a solid lid, your cross blade, drinking water lid, high cup, low cup. You've also got a flat blade, and of course the motor base. Looks like you've also got a cleaning tool. Sort of looks like a double-sided toothbrush. You've also got little suction cups on the bottom to keep it from moving. So that's everything included in the box. I'm gonna go ahead, test this out for a little while, and give you what my first impressions are. So I tested this out with my usual shake, which has spinach, frozen peaches, berries, banana, carrots, and flaxseed. Then I fill it with almond milk. First thing I noticed with this blender, even though it's more of a travel, smaller size blender, it's got some power to it. Pushing it down for a few seconds, it almost blends everything instantly. I pushed the cup down a couple more times for good measure, and that was pretty much all I had to do. Now keep in mind, this is not going to be real quiet. If you take this on vacation, you may want to wait until after quiet hours and everyone around you is awake. But I think that's fine. I would rather have the extra power to blend everything. Obviously, depending on how much liquid and what you're mixing is going to determine your results. But for me, it looks like it has plenty of power for what I would use it for, and I barely had to push it down to activate it. Just try to keep everything under the max fill line if possible on the side of the cup, and you should be good to go with minimal cleanup. Overall, really nice job by KOIOS. I would definitely recommend this blender. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.